Hello my crafty friends, welcome again to my channel and to the June 2021 series. So you only have 10 minutes using Call Me Crafty Al's Sheetload card sketch. Call Me Crafty Al is Alicia, and she has provided us a wonderful sketch, and she does this every month. And if you subscribe to her channel, you can get this for free. I cut out all my pieces, and I had promised you I would do the summer collection, and they are 12 by 12, and this is a special 6 by 6 edition, so I went ahead and just cut them out like usual. Now, like I said, these are the pieces that I have cut out already in my sentiment circles and my card bases. And I'm going to be going ahead and doing it a little backwards this time. I'm going to stamp the inside of my cards with my stamp positioner. So I'm going to raise the camera a little bit. And this is my stamp positioner. I'm going to be using two different sentiments, happy birthday wishes and from the heart. I'm going to be stamping in Tulip Red, Versifying Clear. So let's get 10 minutes on the clock. Okay, we'll see how much of this we can get done in 10 minutes, and then we will move on to the front of the card. That's actually the most fun, isn't it? But I would strongly suggest this if you just don't feel really confident about stamping the inside after you've perfected the outside. This is from a Tim Holtz set. Let me go ahead and mark this so I know where I put the edge of the card. And we're going to stamp it down. Now my card bases, this is 110-pound cardstock, and it was a set I got from Michael's, 3 different shades of this color. So there's one. Because I made a mark here, I know about where okay. I'm using Tulip Red because of the watermelon print that I will be using on the front of the cards. So I'll be making 8 cards total. So I'll be 4 of this sentiment and 4 of the other one. I think Versifying Clear is a very good ink. It's very crisp. I have been donating these cards to my church now that church has opened up again. And I put them in a basket, and that way anybody who wants a card can pick one out. I include the envelope, of course, and a little note that says that it only takes 1 stamp. Some of the cards are thinner than others. Okay. All right, we got that one, those 4, and now we'll change out happy birthday wishes. And I love to use the stickers that come with the collection on the inside of the card. And sometimes if the sentiment is small enough, I can get more stickers in and other decoration. Okay. I need to get one of those Chucky tools. Believe it or not, I just discovered it the other day. Alicia has one of those. I thought, oh, okay. Maybe that'll save my fingers and my wrists. These Stampin' Up! Magnets are really strong. Okay. I didn't position that exactly right, did I? Oh, still crooked. Okay. Let's get that as straight as we can. And push it down. There we go. Nope, still not. Okay, that's better. Just a little crooked. Hopefully nobody will notice. Nope. I put it up too high, didn't I? Okay. Well, all right. There goes one. I'm going to see if this works. If not, I will make another card base. Stuff like that happens, you know. Haste makes waste. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can cover that up with something. If not, I will make another card base. Double check the placement. Pull that over just a little bit, and there we go. Yeah, okay. All right. I pushed start. All right. Well, sorry about that, guys. Okay. Yeah, that was about 10 minutes. I don't know what happened. I'm so sorry. But anyway, so here's my cards. We're going to go with the flow and see if I can cover this up. Okay, so all my card bases are stamped on the inside, and we'll get started on the outside next time. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.